Hello, everyone. Today we are going to talk about Llama 2, Open Foundation and Fine-Tuned Chat Models. Slide content. Title, Motivation and Related Works 1. Motivation. The primary aim of this research is to enhance the alignment of a chatbot model, Llama 2 Chat, with human preferences. The study emphasizes the significance of high-quality data for alignment and the careful selection of annotators. 2. Related works. The research explores the use of supervised annotation and reinforcement learning in the natural language processing (NLP) community. Supervised annotation is favored due to its denser signal, while reinforcement learning is often viewed as unstable. 3. Limitations of existing approaches. Supervised annotation, despite its advantages, can be time-consuming and costly. Reinforcement learning, while powerful, can be unstable and unpredictable, making it a less preferred choice for some in the NLP research. Community. 4. Approach details. The research proposes a curriculum annotation strategy, starting with simple prompts and gradually introducing more complex ones. Annotators were carefully selected through a multi-step assessment process, testing their understanding of guidelines, alignment with quality assessment criteria, and reading and writing skills. The assessment process included 4 tests, each focusing on different aspects such as grammar, comprehension, writing style, sensitive topics, alignment, answer ranking, and prompt response assessment. 5. Why existing approaches are not good enough. The limitations of supervised annotation and reinforcement learning necessitate the exploration of alternative methods. The proposed curriculum annotation strategy and rigorous annotator selection process aim to address these limitations and improve the alignment of the chatbot model with human preferences. Problem settings with existing methods. The authors are trying to address the challenge of improving the alignment of a chatbot model, Llama 2 Chat, with human preferences. This is crucial as it directly impacts the effectiveness and usability of the chatbot. Previously, supervised annotation was the preferred method due to its denser signal. However, it was found to be time-consuming and costly. Reinforcement learning, another existing approach, was seen as unstable and unpredictable, making it a less favored choice in the NLP research community. Importance of the problem. The alignment of chatbot models with human preferences is vital for their successful deployment and user satisfaction. Misalignment can lead to ineffective communication and user dissatisfaction. The cost and time effectiveness of the model tuning process are also significant factors, as they directly impact the scalability and efficiency of the model. Development process. Previous solutions and their limitations. Supervised annotation, while providing a denser signal, was found to be time-consuming and costly. This makes it less feasible for large-scale projects. Reinforcement learning, despite its potential, was seen as unstable and unpredictable, causing apprehension in its application. Key improvements and innovations. The authors introduced a curriculum annotation strategy, starting with simple prompts and gradually moving towards more complex ones. This approach allowed for a more structured and effective tuning process. They also implemented a rigorous annotator selection process, which ensured the quality of the annotations and, consequently, the alignment of the model with human preferences. The use of reinforcement learning was also optimized, demonstrating its effectiveness in terms of cost and time. The authors highlighted the importance of the synergy it fosters between humans and LLMs throughout the annotation process. Section 1. Problem formulation and approach. The authors aim to enhance the alignment of the Llama 2 Chat model with human preferences. They approach this problem by focusing on the quality of data used for alignment and the selection of annotators. They also explore the use of supervised annotation and reinforcement learning, despite the perceived instability of the latter. The authors propose a curriculum annotation strategy, which starts with simple prompts and gradually moves towards more complex ones. Section 2. Methodology and experiment design. The authors implemented a rigorous annotator selection process. Annotators were assessed on their understanding of guidelines, alignment with quality assessment criteria, and reading and writing skills. This process included 4 tests, each focusing on different aspects such as grammar, comprehension, writing style, sensitive topics, alignment, answer ranking, and prompt response assessment. The alignment of the model with human preferences was evaluated by grading different prompt answer pairs and ranking different answers to the same prompt. Section 3. Improvements and innovations. The authors found that reinforcement learning, despite its perceived instability, proved to be highly effective, particularly in terms of cost and time effectiveness. This indicates a shift from their previous preference for supervised annotation. The authors also discovered that Llama 2 Chat can temporally organize its knowledge and call APIs for external tools. The success of reinforcement learning was attributed to the synergy it fosters between humans and LLMs throughout the annotation process. The authors also noted that a well-structured curriculum annotation strategy and a rigorous annotator selection process can significantly improve the alignment of a chatbot model with human preferences. Technical results. 1. Llama 2 Chat's abilities. The research reveals that Llama 2 Chat has the capability to temporally organize its knowledge and call APIs for external tools. This indicates the model's advanced cognitive abilities and its potential to interact with external systems. 2. Reinforcement learning. The application of reinforcement learning in this project proved to be highly effective. It was particularly beneficial in terms of cost and time effectiveness, demonstrating its potential as a viable approach in the NLP research community. Implications. 1. The success of Llama 2 Chat suggests that chatbot models can be improved significantly through the right alignment techniques and learning methods. 2. The effectiveness of reinforcement learning underscores its potential for future NLP research, despite its perceived instability. Ablation studies. 1. Ghost attention, GAT. The paper introduces a new technique, ghost attention, which helps control dialogue flow over multiple turns. When tested, Llama 2 Chat equipped with GAT maintained 100% accuracy, always referring to the defined attribute, up to 20 turns. In contrast, Llama 2 Chat without GAT could not refer to the attributes after only a few turns. 2. GAT zero-shot generalization. The model remained consistent when constraints not present in the training of GAT were set at inference time, such as answer in one sentence only. Implications. 1. The success of GAT suggests that it could be an efficient technique for long context attention, enhancing the model's ability to maintain dialogue flow and refer to attributes over multiple turns. 2. The consistency of the model under GAT zero-shot generalization indicates the model's adaptability and potential for generalization. Key highlights of the paper. 1. Key insights. The paper emphasizes the importance of high-quality data for alignment and the selection of annotators. It also highlights the effectiveness of reinforcement learning, particularly in terms of cost and time efficiency. The success of reinforcement learning is attributed to the synergy it fosters between humans and LLMs throughout the annotation process. 2. Key contribution. The paper introduces a curriculum annotation strategy which starts with simple prompts and gradually moves towards more complex ones. This strategy, coupled with a rigorous annotator selection process, significantly improves the alignment of a chatbot model with human preferences. 3. Key idea. The paper explores the use of supervised annotation and reinforcement learning in the NLP research community. While supervised annotation is preferred for its denser signal, reinforcement learning, despite its perceived instability, proves to be highly effective. 4. Key results. The paper reveals that Llama 2 Chat can temporally organize its knowledge and call APIs for external tools. Furthermore, the model maintains 100% accuracy in referring to defined attributes up to 20 turns, demonstrating its multi-turn memory ability. 5. Key conclusion. The paper concludes that a well-structured curriculum annotation strategy and a rigorous annotator selection process can significantly improve the alignment of a chatbot model with human preferences. It also underscores the potential of reinforcement learning in fostering effective synergy between humans and LLMs in the annotation process.